Hi, it's Josh from Common Room, and I'm here to talk to you about a powerful new feature we're launching to beta today around signal trends for Common Room. Now, what this is going to let you do is add on any number type field the understanding of how that data is changing over time so that you can use it to understand momentum, spikes, surges, or even cratering data in your customer understanding so that you can use that to generate plays, filter and qualify objects, and then also drive intent-based understanding of how you should interact with each and all of your accounts as a rep. Now to start, it's pretty easy to set up. You go into your fields, you can select any of your existing numerical fields or calculated fields, and then simply check it, edit it, and there's a new checkbox to set calculated trends for that field. You can get those trends over any number of days, and you can also get it over multiple different time frames. So if you want to compare week over week to month over month or quarter over quarter, you can do that easily, or get more fields than this if you want. This is a great one for sales headcount, where if you're selling into a particular persona, for example, I can calculate that based off of LinkedIn roles and listings there, and then use that to understand how maybe a department is growing over time, which could indicate buying intent. If you want to do this for a new field, it's super easy. Just simply create it. The same understanding or option is there for number, integer, and calculated fields. Just set the calculated trends, and we'll start calculating trends from day one so that you have that information as soon as it's available. Even if we haven't fully filched out the first 28 days, we'll have that information day to day so you can see how it's changing, and then we'll give you a little warning that lets you know when it has actually reached the 28 days versus it's an incomplete trend. Now, let's talk about that sales headcount use case again. It's not just interesting to know the data. You also want to trigger your plays off of it and have your reps actually act based on that information. Make sure that that surge is meaningful and how they're going to react to or actually engage different accounts. So here, I've created a segment of accounts that are showing big change in key personas. So they have a sales headcount that is trending more than a certain percent. And I also have a flat amount of sales headcount that I'd be looking at here that says it's not just a tiny team. It's someone that actually has the bandwidth to support new tooling or potentially for upsell if it's a current account and I want to sell more seats into them, right? So pretty classic case. You see your department expanding. You see your ideal persona growing within a specific account. You want to bake into it. So you go into the contacts here. You can quickly run down these accounts and engage the top contacts and then reach them with a sequence. Don't want to do it that way, you can also run it through the organizations, or if you don't have the right contacts here, you can look into each of these organizations on the prospecting tab to find key personas who might be interesting for you to reach out to and drive it from there. So lots of different options for you to get to the right people, but accounts aren't the only way to do it. We also want to be able to engage where reps are, right? So if they don't have a segment that's built for them, but you do want to make sure that they know when key information is spiking for the accounts that they own or in their book of business. If there's somebody that is showing incredibly high intent, you can trigger alerts based on that information, either running that on a set of organizations or a set of contacts. These trend fields can be used to signal when somebody might be showing that pure moment of intent. I'll send it to Slack. The rep knows immediately when that happens, and now they can act on it and send that person into a sequence immediately when they're in their moment of intent. That's been shown time and time again to convert at significantly higher rates than if you're just to engage with them at any random time. So it's about the right message with the right context at the right time in the right place. So we're excited about all of that and bringing it together. You can also get an understanding of who specifically might be showing intent. So not just change in account level fields over time, but also contact level engagement. So here I have a free trial program where I'm watching how active individuals are. I want to see exactly what their activity trends are from a 7-day perspective. And then are they also visiting pricing pages that might indicate they want to go to the next level? They're not just there being a little bit more kind of fishing. They're actually looking for something important. So I have the org score to see if they're within my ICP. I understand how many pricing page visits we've seen in the last month. And then also month over month, I'm also seeing how that 7-day active trend has changed so that the free trials can basically give me an understanding. Same thing, I can grab these users, get them to Outreach and send them to a sequence or wherever my SAP may be. So it's a great way to get lots of good information on your contacts, on your accounts, on your prospects. And we're super excited about all the use cases that this feature is going to unlock for our customers across all of their go-to-market teams, from automated search detection to any more precise ABM type plays and churn prevention too. We know timing's everything for the go-to-market teams, and we want to help you guys scale your perfect timing across your entire go-to-market motion. So we can't wait to get this into our customers' hands and see what they can do with the Signal Trends beta. Thanks.